Roger's ready for the day. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this isn't Zoom.
Together, we recycled enough paper, steel cans, and electronics to charge over 5 billion cell phones, swap over 26,000 incandescent light bulbs for LEDs, and fire up over 32,000 propane barbecue grills. And together, we recycled enough scrap metal, tires, and batteries to drive a car 117 million miles, conserve nearly 490,000 pounds of coal from being burned, and reduce unattended battery fires. And so much more. But here come my favorite two numbers to share, which perfectly reflect NRRA's dual mission. We partner with municipalities to make recycling strong through economic and environmentally sound solutions. In 2020, NRRA returned over $1.8 million to our members from the sale of their recyclables. That's real money, and that's one way we achieve the economic focus of our mission. And last year, our members helped avoid enough carbon dioxide emissions to remove the equivalent of 21,600 passenger cars from the road for an entire year. That's a tangible environmental benefit, and it's one way that we achieve our environmental focus of our mission. And at a time when we may be feeling discouraged by local or global events or politics, I am proud to say that whether you care about the environment, whether you care about taxpayer dollars, or whether you care about both, now is a great time to be a member of NRRA, and it's a great time to recycle.